So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom course using this platform. It's going to be called Coursable, and it's an AI generated or AI supported platform. So basically, this is going to be the link, coursable.io. To get started right here, before we get started, by the way, almost forgot that if you're watching and trying this out with your MacBook, please stay on the video because even though I'm using a Windows OS right here, the process is basically the same. So let's get started, okay? To enter this website, you need to have an account. I've just made this account earlier, and I've just used my Gmail account to proceed, so I suggest you do this as well. Now, when you're in the landing page, you're gonna see this platform, this prompt right here that says teach me, and there's a lot of words automated right there. For example, teach me natural language processing, and another one would be teach me cybersecurity. It's really up to you what you want to choose from. So for example, just for discussion purposes, I want to put on teach me how to create a YouTube video. Let's start with the basic right there, so I don't want to take much of your time. Click let's go right there. By the way, since this is a free account, just want to let you know that for a free account, you're gonna have 2 free courses to generate. I've already created one earlier, so I can try it out before showing it to you. So this is gonna be my second one. So with this one, it's just created the YouTube video topic or module, and these are gonna be the modules for itself. From topic 1 to topics 8, these are the modules for this specific course. Now, each module will have each materials designated for that topic. And then the thing what I love about Coursable is that you can adjust the complexity. For example, you're familiar with creating a YouTube video, you can go back here to go to more basic. To give it more, let's just say, not that deep learning, because you're away, right? You just need to review or revisit your learnings. So for example, you're good with that, simply click on personalize. But I'm gonna stop you right there. Before you click personalize, please make sure that since you have a free account, you can only have 5. That's right, you only have 5 personalizations for this course. Each time you click personalize, it will take 1 out. So for example, you're good with this one, simply click on personalize. Let's try it out. I'm gonna go with the middle part right here. Let's just see, I'm still not undecided if I want to go more basic and standard. So I'm gonna click the middle one right here, click personalize, and wait for the magic to happen, because Coursable, which changed the module here, will change the course to a more basic one. So since earlier I have topic, I think 7, now it changed up to 3, because I just want it to be more of a basic tutorial. So since I couldn't personalize right there, it took one coin. Let's just call it coin, okay? It took 1 coin for me versus the 5 earlier. So I only have 4 personalizations left. So next thing I want to show you is this option right here. It's a text box actually that says changes, right? Now what does this mean? This is AI generated or AI supported text box that whatever you type here will be changed on your course. For example, add the course, or rather add a topic regarding green screen. Okay, since this is a YouTube video, we're gonna use a green screen. So I can still click on more basic or standard, or rather more detailed right there. How about that? Let's click on the middle part on more detailed. Click on personalize. Now, take note I have 1, right? Now it will go up to 2 since I click on personalize again. So again, I have 3 topics. Please take note. Once I click this one and choose personalize, I'm sure that it will give me more topics. And truth be told, I just have 9 topics right now. And the last one is regarding about green screen videos. So a little loophole or a little tip for you guys before clicking personalize. Rather than clicking on changes here and click personalize and go back to adjusting the complexity and clicking personalize again, that will take 2 personalizations for you, right? I suggest that click something here, for example, the one I did earlier, green screen, and then I adjusted the complexity, and that's the time I press on personalize. It will only take up to 1 personalization for me instead of 2. Okay, so for example, I'm satisfied with this one. I'm gonna click on confirm, and Coursable will create a course for me. Now this will take approximately 1 to 3 minutes. Now I don't want to take that much of your time, so I'm gonna go back with you, or rather get back with you once this is done. Okay, so welcome back. The waiting is done, and Coursable just created me creating a YouTube video course. So the one earlier is this one, and the one I made before this video is gonna be this one. It's the same topic actually. So the difference is, as you can see, this one right here, the one at the bottom, has only 2 hours and 23 minutes to complete, because this is actually a beginner's one. The complexity is only basic, versus the one we created both is gonna be 11 hours and 30 minutes, because this is a bit more on the complex side. So let's start right here. I'm just gonna take this one, and I have 9 modules, right, or topics. So each topic is, you can open them, each one of them. So for example, let's go for topic number 1. So each topic has a custom summary of its own, and other the materials I've shown earlier. So each topic, I think they have around 3 to 4 materials. It really depends on each topic. So the one earlier, this one has 5, this one has 2. It really depends on the topic. So for example, this one, I want to click on the first material. Simply click on the hyperlink and it will redirect you on this page. It will give you this YouTube video about how to make YouTube videos. Basically, AI chose this video to be the best one for your course. Now you can, after watching that, you can just click this to keep you organized and keep you accurate. Moving on to the next video, again click on the link just to go to this landing page, and you'll have this video again. The YouTube planner, everything you need to know to plan out your content. Basically, AI chose this again, so you can just go back and click checks right there if you're good to go. So for example, you're done on this course topic, click that one and simply click on topic. Of course, after completing topic number 1, go to topic number 2, just repeat the process, read the summary. Now earlier I watched the videos, right? For example, I watched this. Now what is this that says web? Basically, this is just a website or an article regarding our course. So this article is about what's needed to create a YouTube video. Here's the ideal setup. So you just need to read this because this is connected with your course. So bottom line, Coursable is just getting websites, articles, videos, and it's fitting it to give you the best course for you. Basically, that's what Coursable is doing for us. So we don't have to do our research or do a background check or do a deep dive on reviewing the internet to create a course. So simply click on topic right there, keep doing it until you arrive on the final topic, which is actually a quiz. Actually, as you see right there, final quiz has 9 questions to test if you're good enough to proceed with this topic, which is creating a YouTube video. So let me just keep on clicking because you cannot arrive in the final quiz without completing the topics. Okay? So since this one is almost completed, 100% completion, I can just click on this final quiz and get started on the exam. So for example, right here, number 1, what is the best or first time planning a YouTube video? I can just choose one right there. I'm just gonna do this in random just for discussion purposes, okay? Click that one over here. Now, as you can see, there isn't any highlight, but trust me, on my end there is. So as you can see, it's completed. Click on check, and then Coursable will show where we went wrong, and I'm very sorry, but I think I got everything wrong. So Coursable will give you a chance to retry, and I think this is unlimited until you get the course. So basically, you don't need to pass this exam to let you know that you're already good. By the way, you can also go back to the course and watch them again. So with this one, let's go back to the pricing. So I want to show you guys how much the difference. So for the free one is gonna be, of course, it's free, and the only thing that's bad about that, there's only 2 courses. So for the first one's flex, pay as you go, no commitment, $5 per course. So you can get $5 per course. Is actually a good one because again, there's no commitment. So for students, this is the most popular for all the students out there, college people. It's gonna be $10 per month. It's actually a good deal. And then of course, professor, it's gonna be $25 per month. Enterprise is Explore solution, but I suggest, personally for me, just go with Flex, so you don't have that commitment to pay every month. Okay? Now let's go back on the Coursable landing page, and basically that's how you create your custom course using Coursable. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.